AI doesn't make you smarter, but better questions do, and data. So what I made for you is an AI prompts per pain point and specifically for the data you can download. So we are going to download AI ready dataset from the company page. Then we open our preferred AI. Now in this case, I'm using ChatGPT, and then I upload the dataset and I will copy paste the prompts below into the AI. Okay, let's dive into it. I'm going to use Microsoft and I will download the data here. Then I will go to the prompts, and the first pain point I used is, am I missing something important about the stock you have or want to buy? So I'm going to the prompts, to ChatGPT. I will upload the data that I just downloaded from Microsoft Corporation. Okay, then it's in there. Then we have a few prompts I created specifically for the AI. So I'm going to put it in. Oh wait, I am forgetting something. I can use Microsoft here. Then I'm going to replace the company name in all the prompts. For sure, because it's very important that you give the AI the right data and the right questions. Else it's just wandering somewhere on the internet, copy pasting advice somebody else gave. Okay, and now I'm not going to let you wait for all of this, because I'm going to copy paste everything below each other for now, just to feed it. But you have to, of course, read it because you want to learn or enter all the prompts. So now it comes with a lot of stuff based on the prompts and the data I put in. Now I'm going to look at my quick tips. First of all, ask the AI to answer in your primary language. Is it not English? Well, mine is Dutch, so I will say, hey, answer in Dutch, because you understand it a little bit better. Second, use very simple explanations that you understand it. If you are a new investor and you don't know anything about accounting language, well, ask the AI, hey, give me answer as a child. Explain this to me like I'm 10 years old. Also, tell it to use only the uploaded dataset, else it will use its own training language and you don't know where the AI is trained in. Also, this is really important. The most important thing is not AI, is not the dataset, but is you. Yes, you. Because you have your own thoughts about the company, about the industry, and where it's going. But you just have to sometimes go back to the data, and now in the current era with AI, so you can rebase your thinking. Okay? Because you can't know everything, so you need input. And input is very good with AI. AI is really creative, and especially if you give it the right data and the right questions. After that, you get new input from the AI, and then your brain starts to work. You have to give follow-up questions and very critical questions, and you want to challenge the AI with assumptions, because he will talk to your head like he likes you, but you don't want that. You want him to be very critical and challenge your assumptions. And another thing, you don't have to be ashamed if you don't know anything, because you are the only one chatting against an AI, a mirror, but not because you want to impress anyone or whatever. No, you want to know more about the company you are investing in, because you will be smarter, you will know more things about the company, and you at the end you will compounding your knowledge and your money, because most people, like I say, just gamble on tickets and narratives, and they don't investigate the actual business. So you are already ahead. You just have to do some work. But yeah, do you want money or do you want to gamble? And maybe. But okay, so we are going back to the AI. It is ready, I think. So, and now at the end, I will always ask it. Well, I have it here. At the end, ask for a short summary. Ask for a short summary in very simple language, like a child of 10-year-old, and don't use too difficult accounting language. Now enter. Okay, this is just Microsoft. I didn't do this before, but for example, if I'm invested in Microsoft, what does it say? So Microsoft makes a lot of money, but now needs to spend more and more money just to keep going. So basically, they are creating a cash spell. They should invest that money to get more money. That's the one. Now also it builds a used computer centers and paying workers with company shares. This makes they are looking into AI, of course. They are getting bigger, heavier, and slower. So what is the risk of holding Microsoft? And now is the most important question, because you feed it the AI with a lot of data. You want to ask, am I missing something important in this stock? And no, I'm not missing anything obvious. The risk here isn't the drama, but it's subtle disappointment. But I'm not going to read it out, but you get the point now. You want to compound your knowledge, and you can do it now with AI, with data, and with your brain. Use it like a mirror, asking more questions. So I will update the AI pain points about holding a stock. I will add a lot more here and you can use them. Okay, enough for today. You can try it yourself and let me know what you think. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comments and see you later.